Let's check all of the accessories that a Realme Note 60 comes with. So here I have the box brand new, and when we open it, there's a cardboard with a case. So here's the case, and also there's the instructions and warranties inside of it as well. So that's how the case looks like. Let's put it aside, and the next thing we'll see is our phone itself. It's also inserted in the foil, and if we remove it, let's also check if there's a protection screen. Yep, it's pre-installed. That means you get the screen protection pre-installed on that device. We can also remove this, and there's a charger right here. The cable, not the charger. This device doesn't come with the charger. I've checked here as well. You only get the cable, and that is all of the accessories that this device comes with.